Wow.
Yes, firstly, big fans of all of you. Please give them all a huge round of applause. This is the amazing Masti Trio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
But we're missing something. We're, we're missing something right now. I think that is the main essence of this thing. jahan par-
Something or someone?
I think someone, no?
Okay.
I think,
so,
yeah.
so let me start.
How
by
why don't you
saying
take
कि,
over?
थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोग सब यहाँ पर आज आए हो. आज एक बहुत ही अनोखा दिन है हमारे लिए और मुझे याद है कि जब हमने मस्ती की शुरुआत 2003 में की थी तब हम तीनों पर एक लड़की का भूत सवार था.
और 2013 में जब हमने ग्रैंड मस्ती की तब हम तीनों पे 3 लड़कियों का भूत सवार था.
अरे लेकिन जब भी हमने मस्ती की है कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा उल्टा हो जाता है.
हाँ.
अब देखते हैं 2016 में क्या कांड करते हैं हम लोग.
क्या?
बजर
कांड क
सर
कांड.
उधर देखिए सर.
सर कंपनी का क.
अच्छा कंपनी.
कृष का काल का
अच्छा
क
ठीक है यार.
कंपनी का क.
बजर दबा.
बजर कहाँ है?
वहां पर है.
बजर.
But all three together. Come on.
we are touching.
हाँ
if
कनेक्शन में
you don't
कनेक्शन में.
mind.
हाँ चलिए.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इधर से
Ready?
भेज रहा हूँ मैं इधर से. रेडी
1 2 hey just be careful. 1 2 फट रही है यार. 1 2
दबाया दबाया दबाया.
क्या हुआ यार?
क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? हो गया.
Great Grand Masti. Alright, you know what?
आप कौन?
Hi,
अच्छी.
I'm Ragini.
रागिनी MMS.
MMS नहीं, SMS. Simple मगर sexy. और मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ ताकि आप सब पे मस्ती का भूत चढ़े. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to all of you,
Great.
Grand.
मस्ती.
Thank you.
On stage and the producers Mr. Ashok Thakeria, Aman Gill, Anand Pandit and Markand Adhikari. Can we have them on stage? Huge round of applause for all of them. Sir, before we move on to, the media question answers and everything, sir, that one dialogue, I have an idea. We all love to see that.
Love you, Nanda. He's actually
Nanda ji, great sound, man. Thank you.
superb. He's actually made that dialogue happen. Oh wow! But this time I have a great, grand idea.
All right, now that we have all of these guys here, I think they deserve a huge round of applause. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right, so I'm going to ask Vivek also, how was the experience of working third? This is, I think now it's grander also than ever. Masti is grander than ever. How was the experience working on Great Grand Masti?
It was great Grand Masti, man. It was great Grand Masti throughout the set. It was incredible fun during the shoot, and I just love these guys. I love working with them. They're like family to me. This whole team, this whole incredible. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. And it was amazing. It was amazing, and we're really excited about Masti 4. Oops, cat out of the bag. Oops.
Yeah, we will surely make Masti 4.
Yes.
Any ideas for the title?
Later.
So I'm going to ask sir, who was the naughtiest among all of these three?
Hard to figure out. एक दिन एक होता था, दूसरे दिन दूसरा हो जाता था.
और तीसरे दिन पे तीनों तो?
मस्ती का भूत किस पे कब चढ़ता था पता नहीं चला.
All right, so we'll have some questions from the media also. Can we have a few questions from there.
नाही सेन्सर्ड कॉपीज तुम्हाला दाखवल्या आता
तरी काय अनुभव करायला काय
कसला
सेन्सॉरचा
चांगला होता पास केले त्यांनी सगळं
आणि पिक्चर हा तर ट्रेलर झाला आणि सिनेमा
अहो पाहता येऊ दे ना सगळं आजच दाखवू तुम्हाला
Yes, next question. Next question.
सॉरी
No, obviously they've had a lot of fun doing that. You can see that.
कुछ आई डोंट नो आई थिंक कुछ चीजें होते जो बिना सोच के करते दिस इज वन ऑफ देम
I think there was a, it was a kind
अगर अगर सोचते तो ये कर ही नहीं पाते
but Induji was kind of inspired. I mean, he looked at it almost like a modern work of art. He called it Teen Bamdar.
Yes, can we have some more questions? Yeah. Questions.
आफ्ताब
There.
आफ्ताब हियर वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको
Hi.
या वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको आई
हाँ
जस्ट हैड अ क्वेश्चन men normally stand to take a leak why would you sit
I wasn't taking a leak. I was taking more than a leak.
yeah but why would you think he was taking a leak
Point. No, but I was taking more than a leak.
Yes. Moving on.
He just loves hugs.
चल इसी बात पे हक दे इसको
Such huggers I've got.